Yo, what's up, everybody? This is the gamer, the gamer Angel here, and I'm kind of, you know, new to YouTube, so I just want to show some gameplay for some DayZ. I am new to this game. I never played it. I mean, I have played it before, but it's been a while, and I forgot the controls. So let's try this out. Let's just find a server here. And you guys wonder, I'm 15 years old, going to 10th grade. So yeah, that's my age. My real name's Darius Sears. That's my name right there. Just in case y'all want to know. Let's just go to a little short server. Join this one right here. Just wait till it gets done loading. Done. Whoa. Is it nighttime or? Alright guys, I'll be back. It takes the longest time to find the server, guys, and what is going on? It was just turning like Reddit, like nighttime and daytime. But I'm guessing right now it's about to become nighttime. Let's see, how do you run? Alright, just double tap. Inventory, alright. Crouch. Crouch. Oh, okay. Alright, I got it. Just wait till I start, you know, going on people's... Hold up, guys. 1 second. I'll be back. Alright, let's get moving. Jump. Okay, that's how you put your fists up. How you jump? Oh, okay, B. I'm gonna put some batteries inside the flashlight. He holds it like a gun. How you turn on the flashlight? Okay, there we go. Found a hat, but don't need that. Sewing kit. How you pick things up? Ooh, a battery. Badly damaged. I might need it though, so I'll take it. I may not need the sewing kit, so let's just keep moving on. Alright, let's see. Feel hungry. How you open doors? It's F, right? I must can't open that door. So dark, guys. If I can't see nothing, you guys definitely can't see nothing. Why am I walking? Can someone please tell me why I be walking? I really do not know why I be walking. Anyone here? Alright, let's go in, guys. Let's go in. Why do I be walking? Someone really gotta tell me why I be walking. Open up. Yo, it's like so creepy in here. Can't see. Hold on, turn that back on. And open this door. Why is it dark in like every server? And it's raining. Come on, man. Don't want to be so. Oh yeah, some new clothes. So yeah, guys, I stream on PC and my Xbox One. Well, not my Xbox One yet, but I stream on my Xbox One. So I need Elgato. I'm trying to get Elgato so I can stream so I record like NBA videos, or I'm gonna get almost all the games like the Division and stuff. I want to stream all of that for you guys, but I don't have an Elgato. Trying to get an Elgato. This book. Oh, more cardio things. So I can't get my flashlight. Oh, lick. Why would I want to lick my battery? Game's probably trying to trick you guys. Trick me. Right now. I'm hungry. But there's no food here. I can't see either. This is the worst start, guys. I don't know if it's supposed to start off like this, but the worst start. And there's blood on the wall. Can't find the door because it's so dark. Oh, I thought that was a door. Alright, let's see. Run for your life. Alright, I'm no longer getting wet. Come on. I had to run back inside because of the clothes. I don't know if I'm doing good right now, but anyway, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I think it was kind of, I don't know, because I just didn't really do nothing, but I hope you guys enjoyed. So, please, I'm begging you hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out. So, also hit that like button. Peace out, guys. Just like for more. Peace out.